Hello everyone, today is the next days of 14 days Python Flask Web Development for beginners. Today's topic is command support. This is the last day's web page. We have developed the user authentication function, and also as added delete, we could log in to the login protection. This is to develop a command support so that each user could give his comments like this one. For example, you just click comments and you can input your name and your the contents you want to give, and also comments. Yeah, just submit. The comments will be displayed in the command board. Also, the command data that you submitted to the database will also could be displayed. But how to achieve this function? Firstly, we should understand the library Flask Moment. Flask Moment is a very popular library that for the formal data and type in Flask templates using Moment JS script. It's very easy to install it with pp install Flask Moment. When you want to use this library, you have to import Flask Moment, import the moment, and you initialize the moment class, and also pass the app programs to this class. To complete the integration, to add the following line inside the, for example, your template, ATM template with the moment, include the moment. Rendering the time slot with Flask Moment. To render data with Flask Moment, use the moment function with one of the available formatting options. For example, you can use the moment function to get the current data and time with this format. Of course, if you could pass your data type, for example, for me, I can pass the command date to the moment function with this format. Of course, you can search Google to understand these formats. And also you could also compute the how long it have been passed after you have give comments in the website using from now on function. As the code, I think the first we needed to define a table in the database, so a class. For example, the ID, and name, and body, and which is the comments contents, and also timestamp. We use the default date type, the time zone, the UTC time zone. Of course, we need to develop a function to for the comments board, and of course we use the post with the form post method is post, and also input your name and body, and we have also do a number of validation like the name length and the body length. Finally, save this form passage to the database with the database session and submit it. Of course, we need to display our command in the body in the command board. So we need to query all the message from the databases, and finally displayed in this message will be displayed in the command board. And this is the I use the command board template. Of course, at the beginning we have to extend the base ATM, and also we have a form that included you input your name and your message contents. Finally, click the button, submit button to the and send the message to your database. And this is to display the contents, the comments, these comments on the command dashboard. For example, we could display the message one by one, his name, the message, and also a timestamp with this format, and also the numbers, the old numbers. And finally, where computer how long it have been passed up after submit their comments. Yeah, of course, if you want to use the comments library, you have to use the this function command include moment, and you can also localize your time the date type with your time zone. For example, I choose China, Chinese time China time zone for to display the time and data. Okay, let's start our code. Yeah, this is a nice list of code. Firstly, I just mentioned you have to input this library plus from Flask moment input moment, and then you have initialize this with the app argument this class, and of course you have defined a message class and in the database for the database table message table. Of course, you have to define create the command function to display it, and also add your comments to the database. Yeah, this is using the formal with post method, your name and body, and also we just mentioned we have done a number of validation, the name runs and body runs, and also submit the message information, the name and also the name and also the message and also the name to the database. Finally, query all the database, all the message from the database and displayed in the command body board in the command board. So that's the command ATM. Let's see how. For example, just I have mentioned firstly, extend the basic ATM, and this is the command form, like with your name and your message contents body, and this is displayed your these comments on the command dashboard. Yeah, just this is same as I just mentioned. Let's test our code. Okay, flags run. Yeah, and also go to the let's say go to the comments dashboard. Yeah, for example, your name OB OEM OB and your message. I'm here. And click submit. Now your message is sent to the database, and there are about 14 comments here, and also were displayed how long have been passed. It means seconds ago. Actually, I localized the time and also date format with Chinese China time zone, so you can also change it to your local time zone. Yeah, I think I think this is all from today's contents. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have interest in my video, please subscribe my channel. And finally, let me git push my our code to the GitHub. Okay, git push. Yeah, since we have git add our code, so everything is up to date. So you can get the latest code from the below GitHub link. Thank you for your attention. See you in next time.